Stu's channel.
Completely with your.
It is.
You sure?
Oh yeah.
I don't want no air.
I'm positive. I just have to be able to.
Sure. Look, and it's sucking gas too. Watch. That's a good sign. Had a bubble in it. Look, see? Look.
Yeah.
See that?
I see it.
You should have gas in your finger now. Yep. Thank you. This fucker's gonna start. Let's go. Ready? It's gonna start. I feel good about it now. Hope Dan didn't put the wrong mixture on that gas. That's all I gotta say.
No, it's auto.
Ready?
Oh, no. Fucking A!
Thank you.
Fucking A! Hey, watch my sandpaper. don't mess that up, man.
Here we go.
Okay, Dave.
Thank you.
It's gonna sound mean.
Yeah, right now it's on pretty fast, probably, but leave it there.
Yeah.
Let that
Let's
baby
do that shit
blow
again.
out.
Let's do that shit again.
Excuse me. Uh-oh. Oh, our what do you call it's hitting?
What?
Our magnet?
Yeah,
It is?
a little bit.
Too much?
Oh, dude. This thing's gonna be such a fucking beast to start each time. Jesus. Well, maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe after I get the whole technique of the first run here. Alright. Tighten these bitches up a little more. I got it. Alright.
Oh yeah, that's way better.
Okay, she's gonna start now. We gotta choke it again though, Dan.
No problem. Ready to roll.
I'll put the plug back. The
Oh,
wire.
I feel gas coming out of this.
Already?
Yeah.
Good. I still see a new plug.
Alright, no problem. I get that.
Ready?
Yeah.
Dave?
Yep.
Come on, baby.
Yeah, I don't know where it sits.
Well, our next thing we're gonna do is maybe fill the tank over the top in case we're getting bubbles in
Really?
the tank. Yeah.
Well, we shouldn't have any bubbles at this point, should
Well,
we? We just got to get it to start and die.
Plug, choke again. Well, that's the reason I'm staying on. You got a gas problem.
No.
It's not electric anymore.
No, man, we're all good. That's dripping out of there.
Okay. Well, it's probably inside needs lubrication, probably.
Yeah, well, you know what? Yeah, come on. It hasn't been started in, what,
Yeah.
10 years?
The rings. Or maybe longer.
I'm not touching it. That's alright. It wants to go. And
Yeah,
it's
you'll
just-
find a happy medium somewhere in there where it'll start maybe.
All right. I don't think we'll need it.
I smell different smoke now.
I do too. I smell it starting to do something.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's getting juices in there now.
It's got to work that WD-40 out.
Ooh, that's probably why I started. Go ahead, ready?
Yeah.
Stayed up longer this time.
Okay, so I'll go down just a little bit more.
Just a tad.
Dude, this thing's got freaking
Power.
thrust. Yeah.
You're gonna love this thing once you get it tuned. Dan will have to tune it though, if it
Yeah.
needs tuning. Jeff. Ready?
Yeah.
Contact. Stayed up longer. Let's just keep doing it.
Anyway, yeah. Do we have to choke or no?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. I mean, yeah. So, boy, let's choke this
Okay.
baby.
Just a little bit. Ready? Nope. No choke.
feel on this because it's hard to hold this fucking thing.
Okay. We don't want to mess with those, like he said.
Dude, do you have any idea how hard it was to hang on to this fucking
Really?
thing? Yeah, it was fucked.
Hey, I'm gonna give you $1,000 cash for that right now.
No, I don't want $1,000. You want to hang on to this?
$1,000, $100 bills.
No, it's okay. I'm good. Check it out. Check it out.
What? Name your price then.
No, I'm not selling it. I'm gonna keep my point, dude.
Hope to see you back here on Stu's channel.